Forget the breadcrumbs. This meatball recipe uses so much better ingredients to create the juiciest, most tender, flavorful, the best meatballs ever. Plus, they are incredibly easy to make. To make these delicious meatballs, start by mixing 1 pound or half a kilo ground beef with half a cup of crispy bacon bits, half a cup of crushed pork rinds, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Next, crack 1 large egg into the mixing bowl. This will help bind all the ingredients nicely together. Then, season the mixture with a pinch of sea salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a dash of pepper. Now mix all the ingredients together. I like to use my hands to mix. It is the best way to make sure all the flavors are evenly spread out and the mixture sticks well. Just get in there and really mix it up. This way, your meatballs will hold together great and taste amazing. Plus, it is kind of satisfying, don't you think? Now, form the mixture into small meatballs. Use a spoon and hands to shape them. Make the meatballs about 1 to 2 inches in diameter, as you can see here. Place the meatballs on a large plate or cutting board lined with wax paper, making sure they are spaced apart to prevent sticking. You will end up with around 17 meatballs, though it can vary based on their size. Try to keep them all about the same size so they cook evenly and turn out just right. Freeze the meatballs for a few hours until they are solid. This clever hack keeps the meatballs juicy and tender when you cook them straight from frozen. Freezing helps lock in moisture so they come out flavorful and succulent every time you cook them. Once frozen, arrange the meatballs on a wire rack with space between each one. Cooking them on a rack allows hot air to circulate all around, giving them a perfect crispy exterior while keeping them moist inside. For easy cleanup, line the oven rack with aluminum foil to catch any drips. Bake the meatballs in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. I have found that cooking them at this higher temperature gives them a fantastic crispy outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Just be sure to check that they hit an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, to make sure they are cooked perfectly. These meatballs are amazing. They are great for hearty meals or a high-protein, low-carb snack. They are packed with flavor and have a super tender, juicy texture that is hard to resist. Also, check out this clever hack here for cooking bacon in the oven using aluminum foil.